Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. It's Brooks PureGrit4 from MovinsEdition. It is a US Brooks Brands trail running item that travels through nature and is exclusively for women. This is a new product from MovinsEdition that has only one Bio-MOGO-DNA midsole for adaptive cushioning, rounded heel for better alignment and minimizing stress on joints, Omega Flex grooves 2, Optimus flexibility, ballistic rock shield to protect feet from trail hazards, a 4-foot propulsion plate maximizes energy return on a variety of surfaces. Nash band wraps the foot for comfortable security. Brooks PureGrit4 products. This is a fairly minimalist, lightweight, and flexible shoe that is meant for trail and hill running. The design aims to provide a close-fitting shoe with an aggressive outsole for good traction. PureGrit4 footwear fits into the Pure Project collection, which is Brooks' minimalist running line. The PureGrit4 is an update of the award-winning PureGrit3. It was a US Brooks Brands trail running item that travels through nature and was exclusively for women. Bye.